Hey snacks, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining us, welcome to my channel. I am Sneakiwe, mother of the snacks. Subscribe so you can become a snack. Today's video, I'm sorry, I kind of high-key, low-key clickbaited you guys with the title and the intro because I'm not really going to be showing you guys my makeup and my outfit. It's just really going to be the hair. I'm just trying to make these hair videos a little cuter for you guys because I know they can get like repetitive. And I'm sorry, okay, but you know, I'm just trying to be in my bag. So can you be in my bag too? Not like that. Damn, I didn't think that went through. Okay, but anyways, so yeah, this is a hair video in collaboration with Hairvivi. Shout out to them for sponsoring. I'm basically going to be showing you guys my from start to finish of this unit, and obviously me wearing it out to go out. I have had it since November last year, so it's been a hot minute and she's keeping up quite good. Obviously I have quite a few wigs in rotation, so I am not the benchmark for how your hair is going to treat you because I have a lot of wigs. So please, again, as I always emphasize, watch other videos of the company, see what other people are saying about it, and don't just go off of my word. But as for me and my house, we're happy. The wig looks amazing straight out of the box. Obviously, you guys know me, I have to have jet black hair, so I did dye jet black. But that's really the only tweaking that I did. The hairline was perfect. You guys are gonna see, you're gonna see. I'm gonna unbox it for you, you're gonna see it straight out the box. And then we're gonna get into the installation, and then we're gonna get into styling. So if you're interested in seeing all of that and getting all the tea, stay tuned.
Stick spicy food up her butt.
Nope, 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 nope. Come on.
Don't ask questions. You don't wanna know. Learn my lesson. Way too long ago to be talking to you, but I don't know. Should've taken a break, not an Oxford diploma. Take what I want.
Yo, it's voiceover Snee. I just wanted to come in during some parts of this installation to say a little few things. Okay, first of all, it was my first time using a strong holding glue. I will link where I got it down below. And it's a really good glue. However, it's very thick, and that's why I'm spreading it out, as you can see. But as you can see now, I'm putting on the wig way too soon. I should have let it get a little more transparent, and that's because if you put the wig on too soon while the glue is still white, it takes really long to dry and become transparent once the lace is on it. I mean, eventually it did dry clear and the hold was amazing, but definitely need to remember that for the next time I use a serious glue, that I need to let it get clear before I even think of putting the wig anywhere near it. That took forever to dry. I swear I can still see some white, but maybe it's because I'm traumatized. But damn, how do the professionals do it? Like, are you supposed to put it on when it's clear? I think I should wait until it's a little more clear than what I put it on as, because I think it takes longer to dry when the lace is already on it. So next time I'll know. But the good news is it does eventually dry. And I'm happy with the results because it feels stuck, which means I can show you guys some real cute hairstyles. I didn't get the front properly. I guess I'll just have to put some got to be on that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys different ways to style this hair because it is quite versatile and has quite a bit of parting space. I think I'm gonna have it in a middle parting today because that's just who I am. But you know, let me show y'all something different. I should probably have water with me. Is the look I'm going for today. But I was really just showing you guys how versatile the wig is and definitely worth a buy. If you're on the market for curly hair, I do recommend this unit. I really like the curl pattern because it's big enough to still be big, but it's also loose enough to still be tameable, which is why I was also showing you the slicker hairstyles. So yeah, it's a very versatile unit. I'm gonna go do my lips and put on some jewelry, and I will see you guys as soon as I'm ready. Okay friends, so that is the end of this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. I hope that I have enticed you to get some new hair. I really do like this unit. My only cons would be how dry it got after I dyed it black, considering the fact that I wasn't making it light, I was making it darker. It should have still been able to retain moisture. But I feel like I've always had that kind of problem with Hairvivi hair. Like, it always requires extra hydration, and it doesn't help that I'm inland in Johannesburg, so it's also very dry here. So basically, for me to get it back to being extremely hydrated and looking very luscious, I used water and a couple of Aunt Jackie's curl products. I don't really know what they are because I got like a whole bunch of sample sachets when I was at Beauty Revolution, the festival, so like 2 years ago, because I obviously don't wear my hair out. So now they're coming in really handy with my hair, my curly hair that is. But I only used it one time, the one time that I did use it, and ever since water has been enough for the hair. So I think it does, it is able to retain the moisture once you kind of work on it and kind of put in the work that you would put in for your own natural hair, just like 10%. Those are my only cons with this unit. Otherwise, 10 out of 10, I would highly recommend it. Also, if you're not someone who's gonna diet like me, you may not have the problems that I had, so just keep that in mind. But okay, that is a lot of talking that I have done. Enough. I need to skedaddle. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I love you all so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also, please. Bye.